Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? So today's Vlogmas day 7. I am going to be doing a very light, quick cleaning. Yes, because the house was a little dirty, not too much. So yeah, so I decided that I was going to do a little bit of light cleaning. So I'm just going to clean the floor and that's about it. I was going to do the kitchen. I mean, you know, like the oven and the stove and everything like that. But you know, I was running out of time because I was getting ready for work as well. So yeah, so y'all gonna see me cleaning just the floor and all that good stuff, and everything else will be done at a later time. So I'm heading to the kitchen. Yeah, so that was very quick. So I'm heading to the kitchen now. Alright, so I am all done with the cleaning. Once I take the trash and the boxes and the bottles outside, that place is going to look much better than this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.